Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website here called Grabpoints, okay? And perhaps you're wondering, can you really make free cash and give cards just by taking some surveys? Let's check out this website to find out whether this is a good use of your time or maybe this is a massive waste of time, okay? Anytime you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's check out Grabpoints to find out whether this is the good or the ugly. Maybe there are better ways for you to make money online out there, all right? Now, Grabpoints is actually a very popular survey filling website. They're kind of like a GPT style website. You can fill out surveys, you can take paid offers. We'll talk about that in a second. And as you do those, they will actually reward you for taking the time to, either take the paid offers or the surveys, okay? Now, the cool thing is you can join from pretty much anywhere in the world. So you can join up for free right here. You can sign up with Google or Facebook or just your email and your password. And as soon as you log in, all right, you are going to see basically this website right here, where it's going to show you all the different surveys that you can take, all right? Now, this is in my currency, but just to give you an idea, these are different surveys that you can take. And my currency, if you just divide it by 4, that will equate to the US dollars. So for this one, for example, this is kind of like 25 cents, 30 cents, all right, for this particular survey. This one's about 90 cents for this survey. This one is about 20 cents for the survey. This one's about 80 cents. So, it goes between about 10 cents and all the way up to $1 on average per survey. And then you can see the different times, right? 13 minutes, 18 minutes, 10 minutes, 12 minutes, that's that sort of thing, okay? And they've got quite a lot of surveys, which is nice to see, right? So they got 212 surveys for me today, right? But I don't qualify for every single one of them. That's the whole thing about filling out surveys to make money, is that you're not going to qualify for every single survey. You'll qualify for some, and unfortunately you're going to have to take, roughly you qualify for 2 to 3 out of 5, all right? So let's just say I click on this survey and I start taking it. Very quickly it'll realize whether I'm suitable for the survey or not. But I may have been taking the survey for maybe a minute or two, then it'll boot me out and it'll say, I'm sorry, you're not qualified to take this survey, then you have to move on to the next one. All right, so unfortunately, it is a bit of a time suck because you have to dedicate a little bit of time to pre-qualifying for some of these surveys. And obviously, you're not going to qualify for every single one of them because they're looking for a very specific demographic and background for some of the surveys, okay? But having said that, you can still fill out some surveys right here and generate some okay money, all right, which is pretty cool. Now, the funny thing is that previously, Grabpoints used to have a paid offers section where you could actually take the paid offers, you can download them, there's some games and there are, different applications that you can take. And as you go through them, if you complete it to a certain level, they will give you a certain amount of points. But unfortunately, in my country, it looks like they've removed them. Now, I don't know whether that's the same for some of the other countries, but I have seen some other users say that it's also been removed for them. So it is possible that Grabpoints is now just a survey website, okay? Unfortunately, surveys isn't the fastest way to make money, but at least you can still make some good money here. And obviously, these guys are legit and it's free, all right, which is cool, okay? Now, if you want to withdraw your money, just let me show you here, and then I'll talk about how much you can really earn, right? There are many ways that you can withdraw, right? So PayPal minimum is $3, which is really cool. It won't take you that long to get to $3. It could take you, maybe a day or maybe a few days for you to reach up to $3 worth in survey dollars, right? In my country, these are some of the big vendors. So Lazada is an online e-commerce platform. Grab is a massive platform as well. Food Panda, this is where I order my lunch, right? And so these are the different ways that I can withdraw. $15, 20 ringgit, sorry, 15 ringgit, 20 ringgit. That's about $5, okay, to withdraw. Not too bad. So many different ways that you can actually withdraw your money. Now, the big question is how much can you make, okay? Because a lot of people don't understand that surveys are, it's a cool way to start making money, but how much can you really make, right? Now, this is basically the weekly rankings, okay, for this week, you'll see. So these are the weekly leaderboards for the whole world. Everybody that's on Grabpoints, how many points are these guys roughly making? So just to give you an idea, right? 1,000 points is equal to $1. So Chris right here, who is ranked number 1, he's on $46 right now, and there's still 4 days in the week. All right. Now, you also have to understand that you shouldn't compare yourself to the top 3 when it comes to survey filling or GPT style websites, because people that are ranked top 3 are usually working 10 hours a day, 12 hours a day, right? So it's not a realistic barometer for you to say, oh, I'm going to be able to earn this much money, okay? Because these are the people that are basically putting in a ton of time, all right? So Chris may finish on, you know, $70 or $80 roughly. Then he gets a little nice bonus here of $20, which is cool, right? So he may make $100 for the week, okay? But he's probably busting his chops, all right? Busting his ass to do this 10 hours, 12 hours a day, you know, filling out offers if they are available in the US, and filling out surveys. And then still, if you really think about it, he's only making about $100 a week. That's $400, but he's basically doing more than full time, just kind of slamming away at this, right? What's more realistic is to kind of go down, okay? Because I mean, these are the top 100 people, right? And so you kind of have to, you know, give yourself an average of like, you know, I would say the lower end of the spectrum. All right, so some of these people, $11, they may finish on $15 or $20 for the week. Okay, so if you take a look at $15 for the week, what is that? 15 divided by 2, that's roughly about, 15 divided by 2, it's 7.5, right? So 15 divided by 7. So it's roughly about $2 a day that these guys are making. Now that's a more realistic number. All right, especially when it comes to survey filling. Some of these guys are probably only putting in, you know, a few hours a day kind of thing, right? That's a much more realistic number to shoot for. All right, so the big question is how much can you earn from Grabpoints? It depends on how much time you put in and where you are based in the world, okay? Some countries will allow you to earn more and some will allow you to earn less. So if you look at some of the top countries right here, a lot of them are based in the US and Canada, right? So depending on where you live, you will have different types of opportunity, all right? So if you live in a smaller country, maybe you live out in Asia, you may not have as many surveys, you may not have any paid offers, that may be removed from your dashboard, right? So it really depends, okay? But I would say that if you live in the right countries, it is possible to earn between $10 and $50 a week, which is actually really good for a survey website, okay? If you live in you know, some other countries, it may only be $1 a day, that kind of thing, all right? So again, this is not a way for you to fully replace your full-time income, because if you think about it, even at the top right here, so for Chris and Astrid, that's not replacing full-time income. They're only making about $80 to $100 a week. You know, to replace full-time income, you have to be making in the thousands, right? $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 to replace full-time income. So I think that, you know, Grabpoints is cool. It's a nice, cool way to start earning some additional income on the side. It's a very, very low skill level. You don't need any special skills for this. You just need to kind of grind it out a little bit, all right? So if you want to test it out, grabpoints.com, they've got lots of different ways to withdraw, right? So I think this is a cool way to start earning a little bit of extra income on the side online, all right? Now, if you're here watching this video, maybe you're looking for a way to generate big income, but you don't know how. First time on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, all right? And out of all the ones that I've tested, there was one that I used to completely change my life. I 5 times my full-time income from this particular online strategy, and I used it to quit my job, right? Changed my life, okay? If you want to check it out, I've got a step-by-step masterclass that shows you exactly how this works. Just click the link all the way at the bottom, and you can access that masterclass for free. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of Grabpoints, and I will see you on the next review. Take care.